In this video, we are looking at the PockeLite series from Falcon Eyes. These RGB LED lamps are an ideal addition to your recordings. We deliver them in a single and a foldable version. The internal battery and built-in magnet enable the utilization and attachment of the LED lamp in any location and at any time. Besides warm and cold white light, the PockeLite F7 displays all colors of the rainbow spectrum. With a series value of 97, you have beautiful natural colors. The light can be set in different ways, for example, based on the hue, saturation, and intensity. There are also 40 presets for gel filters from Roscoe and Lee. The special effects are also fun, such as rotating lights, lightning, or colored flashlights. You charge the battery with a USB-C cable. In summary, this is your new universal lamp with built-in battery that you can use anywhere.
Thank you for watching this video. For more information or to place an order, visit bnl.eu.